make this piece inside the other one, but it's really specific.
So it's a panel almost. Oh, I see. Okay.
So
For this one here, I could have like only an angle.
on the front one, yes.
Yeah, and then these would just be like 0 or whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I tried to use that to do a chamfer.
So if you
Once
have
on the
only
sill?
one, yes, you can. But you can do also in AB mode.
Yeah. Yeah. The chamfer I was trying to do was very deep, you know, so I couldn't use. Anyways, it didn't work, but I ended up using.
So you can do with AB mode.
It was too deep though. It was too deep for the head.
Ah, okay.
So I could have done it from both directions, and I ended up using.
Ah, okay. With this, with the milling tool.
Yeah, which worked well. I just had to make sure that this was 0.
Yes.
And that was 0, and yeah.
Normally for thick like this, but you can use it like an open piece that works.
The only limitation I had was when it was a steeper angle, it wouldn't complete the stone no matter how far I went out, because I think it sensed that the shaft on the cone on the tool would hit a wall, you know, so. But anyway, it doesn't matter now because we use top solid.
Yeah. So you can calibrate with the milling tool, you can make contouring, but only for square or rectangle elements. So
right.
Better to use all the time the top solid.
Yeah.
That's why. So drilling maybe is easy here because so only one. Many different with the design by the crosshair laser.
Yeah, so you say where it's gonna happen. Yeah.
Many different with coordinate over there.
Yeah.
And many different, but with a specific
spacing.
Yeah.
Cool.
And the coordinate system would be just from the origin.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you say this is 0, 0, so you define X and Y position. And you can make 10 of them.
Yeah.
Wow,
Yeah.
that's great.
Okay.
Be
well,
careful because if you click this, why it don't work? Maybe I need to have at least one thickness.
That's weird. This must be grabbing this number from the wood.
It's coming from the wood. Yes.
Yeah.
But normally,
Is the saw on the front table right now?
Yeah.
Okay, that's why. Because it's
strange.
using the table as the
Normally
trimming.
here you can switch to through or you define a dip. That's strange. Let me try here. Like this, okay. So like this you go through, and like this you don't go through, but you define how deep you wanna go.
Okay.
So be careful when you go through with when you drill like this, especially if you are on the wood table over there, because when you go through, when you work, maybe the stone can stay inside the drill.
Oh yeah.
And if you jump to another one, then
Okay.
so I often say keep like 2-3 millimeters at the bottom. Then, yeah.
Right. Right. Okay.
Okay, so I think that's it. So we saw that to start the vacuum is over there. One more time for the vacuum, when you start it, make sure that the depression is close to 0.8 and the minimum is 0.6, okay? So the best is to be in this zone.
Okay.
Okay.
And if it's
So
not,
if it's not, it's because you have like a leak,
yeah.
and then maybe the stone can move. Normally the system will stop it. If you have a big leak,
Yep.
then So we can make a test. Let's start. Normally, no wood.
Oh, did you pull a wire? Did you pull a hose? Is that why it's...
Yes. Yes.
Oh, there's nothing on the sense. Yeah.
Now.
Okay, now it's okay. Yeah. Right. Okay.
Yeah, in fact, the Jonathan changed it. This was connected to here.
Oh,
Now he was very close to the pump, so he was. That's why he bring it to the ramp.
yeah, okay, the manifold?
Yeah, because here from here it's too close. You don't see that you have a leak.
Ah, okay.
That's why he bring it. On
Change
the
it,
other
okay,
side.
okay. Okay.
So
Good.
also when the pump is running, it has to be close to zero.
Okay.
And you adjust it. So normally it's adjust, but
Yeah.
sometimes just think of this. If it's not close to zero, adjust to this.
Okay.
If you don't, then the pump is creating, it's overcharging the pump.
Yeah, yeah.
You can destroy the turbine.
Okay.
The
Burn
wind.
it out.
Yeah,
Yeah.
The wind inside.
okay.
So I show you. Here, this is perfect.
Okay. Yep.
Especially if you put the water tank,
Yeah.
you may have to adjust this because here you have the pressure from the
Yeah.
city or whatever.
Yeah.
So from the tank, the pressure will be different.
Right.
So you will have to adjust it.
Okay.
Okay, so I think
So we went through all those. That's to set the
position, yes.
parking.
so the tooling.
Yeah. This I still haven't found. We'll figure that out. Like right now, our limestone blade that we have
Yeah.
is 1100.
Okay. So you can change the values. Yeah.
So if I needed to change that, I would just change it here. Everything else is probably, well, I'll have to go through. This is the thickness of the teeth?
Yes.
The 6.5?
6.4 is diamond thickness.
Yeah.
This one is
That's the core?
yeah.
Core thickness? Yeah. Well, we'll have to, we're still trying to get to the bottom of it, where that is. But the original, that's the original one.
What's the RPM said it was like 9 something, 930 something?
So in fact, it's better if you are looking at this one meter per second. For the granite, it has to be close to 32 meter per second.
Okay.
Limestone is yes, hard limestone is close to 40, and for very soft limestone is like 50 to 60.
Okay. Like a marble, soft marble? Or?
Marble is more 40.
Okay.
But if you have, this one is close to marble, so it's also, normally you should run like 40 measures per second, and not 50 is maybe a little high.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And then that was the,
Step cutting parameters,
yeah, so we could change these, yeah.
plunging speed, step cut and final cut. So you can separate the final cut thickness.
Yeah. Okay.
So front
That's
and
the front and back.
for the wood, and this is tool magazine tool management.
Yeah. And what do we do? Do we need to do anything here, or
So in fact,
this is controlled by the pilot?
no, pilot has nothing to do with this.
Okay.
Okay, this is just machine management. So if you want to remove one tool from the magazine,
Yeah.
for example, I want to remove this one, I just click on this one, okay, and I say I want to remove this tool. You see, this tool is not set at the moment. I think it's core without any tool.
Okay.
You can. So
Check.
if I say yes, you see, it's no more in the magazine. Let's see. Be careful.
We're looking this way,
So you see, there's no tool on it.
but we're looking this way, so
Yeah.
it's that one.
Oh, maybe that's,
So
no.
that's the new stubbing wheel.
That's gonna be tricky though.
So yeah,
Which one is that tool?
90 mil stubbing wheel. That's the one we added.
New one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's see.
There we go.
If we go on the tool, that one?
Yes.
Ah yes, it's not affected to the magazine.
Okay.
So if I want to affect it,